she told me about her life, but how it had been so cruel. But as I looked at her, all I could see was a smile. Her smile was like gold, behind it like the truth. Her heart held her weight, and yet she felt light. As she looked at me, all I could say, she's alright. How could it be that a girl like her had fallen so deep? And here she stood, golden as the sun. She shone so bright. And I wanna know, how deep must I go before I will feel the same lightness? And she wants me to know both sides of it all, that the road is the goal and the goal is the road. Her smile was like gold, behind it like the truth. Her heart held her weight, and yet she felt light. As she looked at me, all I could say, she's alright. Her eyes so clear, her voice so alive, it filled up the sky. The way she smiled, so warm, so light, no weight in her sighs. And she is like me, and I am like you. We're all in the same boat of life. One day you will see a weightless way to be is already inside you. You're free, and I wanna know, how deep must I go before I will feel the same lightness? And she wants me to know both sides of it all, that the road is the goal and the goal is the road.